Hi, I'm Yashwant. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to share 10 useful apps that increases our productivity. And these are all the 10 apps that I use regularly, and all these are free. So when I started using these apps, many of the apps, like, I felt I'm becoming more productive. So it's not that using apps will make you productive, but these 10 apps will really help you to become productive. And these are the apps that you might need in your everyday life, or whether you are a student or an employee, whatever it might be, whatever you are. So these 10 apps will really help you. So having them in your mobile really change the way that you work. So let me begin the list. So the first tool that I will share today is Notion. So if you don't know what Notion is an all-in-one workspace. So where you can create notes, create tasks, I can say you can access calendar, you can write a journal there, you can create some pages to share, to collaborate with others. Something that is a collaborative tool, you can use it for almost everything that you need in your daily life. So ranging from creating tasks to writing your journal, creating pages, to collaborating with people, you can do everything there. So it is one of my favorite tool, and I use it regularly to present all my thoughts there. And the second tool is Trello. So Trello is mainly used for content planning. So if you can see, I plan all my YouTube content and social media content in Trello. So I write down what are all the videos that I need to make, what are all the things I need to post on social media. So my complete content planning will take place on Trello. And the third one is Canva. So Canva is, again, it's something that is needed for every individual, I can say. So whether you are a student or whether you are a graphic designer, ranging from creating social media posts to creating thumbnails, and for everything, every basic task that requires graphic, you need Canva. So Canva is my go-to tool for almost every task. So I at least use Canva for 2 to 3 times in a day. So you can understand how important Canva is for an individual. And the fourth tool is Grammarly. So if you're writing an emails, or if you're writing some blog posts, then ultimately without your knowledge you might write some mistakes there. So, and it is difficult for you to notice them. So if you're not using an apps like Grammarly, so in mobile you can use Grammarly as a keyboard, and if you use PC you can just use it as Chrome extension. So it will auto corrects all your grammar errors, and it will suggest you some good and alternative keyboards for everything. So it is also one of the go-to tool. And the fifth tool is Whimsical. So Whimsical is a collaborative tool again. So you can create some documents, flowcharts, and presentations, and you can create some wireframes there. If you want to share your ideas in the form of flowcharts, then ultimately Whimsical is one of the go-to tool. And the sixth tool is Calendly. So if you want to schedule appointments with others, or if you want others to schedule appointments with you, then Calendly is a very friendly tool. So all you have to do is you need to create an account in Calendly, and you can share the links of meetings with others. So there are options to schedule 15-minute meeting, 30 minutes meeting, and 45 minutes or 1 hour meetings in Calendly. You just have to share that link. So any individual who want to schedule an appointment with you, they can directly give their details and schedule. So it is easy for consultation. So if you're someone who is into consulting, then Calendly app is very helpful. And the seventh tool is bit.ly. So short links are of major demand these days, because, so if you can see in my description, so if I want to track how many people clicked a link, then ultimately having a bit.ly app in my mobile will really help. You can shorten all the long links to short links. And the other advantage is I can track number of visitors too. This is one of the handy tool. So, and the eighth thing is Beacons. So Beacons is like a link in bio tools. So if you want to share your portfolio but you're not affordable to build a portfolio website, then I can say going with LinkedIn bio tools like Beacons is very helpful. It is very simple drag and drop tool. You just need to create an account, and you can add all your links in one place. You can include all your social media links, all your portfolio websites, and everything in one place, and you can just put it in all your social media bios, like LinkedIn bio, Instagram bio, Twitter bio, and whatnot, everything, so that people don't have to search for everything to access your portfolio. Just with a single click they can access everything is linked to you. So it is one of the useful tool. And the ninth useful tool is Pexels. So Pexels is a free tool for stock images and stock videos. So let's suppose if you are a creator and if you want some free graphics for you to use in your pictures or videos, then ultimately having apps like Pexels will really help you. So mostly, like, I use Pexels and other apps like Pixabay for stock photos and stock images. So yeah, it is one of the handy tool. And the last tool is Flick. So Flick is for hashtags. So whatever we post on social media, if you want that to get good reach, you need to use hashtags. And Flick is one of the good SEO tool where if you search with a single keyword, then it will suggest you the trending hashtags with that particular keyword. Then you can use them to increase your reach in social media. These are all the 10 free useful apps that will really increases your productivity. Using productivity apps will really save you time. That is the main advantage. They are not doing any rocket science here, but they can ultimately save your time, and that is important. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will really help you. And if you want someone else to know about this, then share this video in your network. Also, if you are a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.